Tulungan ako ni Senator Lacson. Yes daw.
Kailan po kaya, Mr. President, mag-uumpisa?
Ay hindi ko na po alam yun.
Kasi po, kung yes, bitin na naman po, Mr. President. Ayoko pong mabitin ng taong bayan, Mr. President. Kaya gusto ko pong malaman, kailan, anong oras, tuloy-tuloy po ba para sa ganun? Ay mapayapa naman ang kalooban ng ating mga kababayan.
Mr. President, may I respond?
Yes, Senator Lacson.
Isa lang po pakiusap ko, baka pwedeng pirmahan niyo muna yung partial committee report.
Seryoso po ba kayo?
I'm serious, Mr. President. So we can get over it, no?
Because that is a partial.
Move forward. Yes, that's a
Partial, and then you can move forward to the next one.
That is correct, Mr. President.
Paano ko po
Yes, but,
pipirmahan
again,
para sa report, Mr. President? Ang gusto ko makumpleto muna, kaya nga po ako'y nakikiusap, puntahan po natin ang mga potential areas of evidence. Kung payag naman po kayo, umuuna kayo, tinatanong ko lang ngayon, meron na po ba tayong schedule? Sana mo po, kahit weekly lang, Mr. President, tapusin na po natin ito.
I believe that the Committee on Rules should tackle that particular question because today I found out that those members, those so-called ex-military soldiers that you're mentioning and the people behind it, some members of Congress filed a case of cyber libel on them. And therefore, I think the Committee on Rules should check first whether we can call a hearing on that particular issue kung ganong merong kaso at meron ongoing case. So I suggest that your question and the privilege speech and the ensuing debates thereafter be referred to the Committee on Rules. I would like to entertain a motion to that effect, Mr. Majority Leader. I don't think we can answer the question of Senator Marcoleta now because of that particular issue.
Yes, Mr. President.
Dahil po ba, Mr. President, merong nagsampa ng demanda doon sa mga tao inakala nating makakatulong sa atin? Magiging sagwil na yon para hindi natin sila tawagin. So, ibig sabihin, pwede palang demanda, i-demanda na lang at ang gustong magkukusa na pumunta rito. Tapos na tayo.
I cannot answer your question. That's the reason I'm saying that we should ask the Committee on Rules to rule on that. You can be right, you can be wrong. But I do not want to answer you and tell you that you are right and that we can do that. It's better that we have the Committee on Rules decide. You are a member of the Rules Committee. Why don't you take it up? That is the best thing to do. And not belabor the issue. Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I'm not belaboring the issue. Kasi po, sumagot na si Senator Lacson. May pagpayag na po. So wala na pong problema doon. Ang pinag-uusapan na lang, para malinawan, schedule na lang po hinihingi ko.
Yes. He has not given the schedule yet. And he might even think of checking with the Rules Committee first on whether we can do that right away or not.
Salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo.